It is fantastic. All right, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. Here to discuss the intersection of life and art is Crystal Ann Thompson, CEO of Honey Vera, and artist she is. She reveals the way she seamlessly integrates her wide-ranging skills and entrepreneurial endeavors with her passion for the realm of art, along with the significance underlining her art creations. Because she's so many things. Listen, lady, you have me in a spin because how many things can these two hands do? Like, seriously, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for
all the way from Westmoreland. I have to say morning to everybody in Westmoreland right now.
Hi, everybody in Westmoreland.
Chris, let me tell you something, man. When I saw you come in, first I'm thinking, okay, products, and then I see products and art. How many things can you do, really?
I can't fly a plane.
You can't fly a plane. It's just that, right? You can't fly a plane.
Right,
just
I like to say that.
Oh my gosh. How did this get started? When did you discover that you had an interest in art, but also in creating products for yourself?
Well, it all started with my mom gave me a little plastic brush and a paint palette for my 6th birthday. And you know, you want to do everything, you want to mix all the colors, and I got really excited. And you know, she saw how interested I was in art. And then I later picked it up in high school and later at Northern Caribbean University, where I did some courses in art, and it just blew away.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. I know you've attached to this, passion of art, entrepreneurship, which is not an easy thing because, somebody who's also creating and handling the business side of things as well, anybody who does that knows it's not that easy, right? So how do you manage to find a balance where that's concerned?
Well, when I started my first official business, it was a bakery, and I thought, hey, because I was in Westmoreland.
Of course, she bakes as well. Hello, she paints, she bakes, okay, all right.
So I thought pretty much if I'm right across from Bobby Road's factory, then I'm gonna make some money.
Right.
But that was not it at all. So I had to quit, go back to NCU, and basically that's where I started Honey Vera. So Honey Vera is hair and skincare products. We distribute island-wide, Discount Beauty Supplies, Lily's Beauty Bar in Kingston. I have to say that.
And I've seen it. I've seen the products in there for sure. Yeah.
Yes, and in Fontana, and it just blew away from there. We distribute overseas, and I have to say that TEF and the JMEA and JAMPRO and JBDC, they have been an integral part of my journey, because starting a business can, from out of a outdoor kitchen to having a factory space,
wow, can be a lot.
And the journey has been a lot, because in January 1, 2021, you wake up New Year's morning, you say, all right, you're ready for everything, you're ready to do your vision board and set it up, and then we had a fire.
Wow.
And then almost everything burnt up.
Wow.
And so we had to start all over again, and we're here.
Resilient and stronger than ever.
Yes, and then
I love it.
I'm telling you, I'm so excited about it, and I have to give God so much thanks.
Yeah, I'm excited for you. Let's get into the conversation about these art pieces, because these are fabulous, lady. We know that this means more to you than just, something on a canvas, that there's a deeper meaning behind it. So talk us through that.
Well, my pieces are really geared at capturing peace of mind, peace of self, peace with yourself, and also to express that for not just me but for everybody, which is why this technique where the painting is raised off the canvas, that's called impasto. I take it to art class.
Okay, yes.
So this technique is called impasto, and it really intertwines people in between. So these are not just curly lines, but if you look really closely, you see right here, there's a face, and then there's the hands and the feet.
So there's a person within the painting of a person. That is some good work right there.
Everybody's intertwined.
I love that. Is that the reason why the eyes of the subjects here are closed?
Yes.
Because it's deep and it's meaningful and it's reflecting, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
It's giving a sense of peace, a sense of serenity with who you are, with everything around you, just being at peace.
How long does a piece like, let's say, this one take?
That one would take about one night.
One what now?
One night.
One dega night?
Yeah.
Really?
I paint fast.
And then this one?
I did this in one night.
No, sir, hold on. Maybe if you gotta move, go down to Westmoreland, because something going with the water down there.
I started this 5 o'clock, And then I finished it about 1 o'clock.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's incredible. And the interest for the pieces, though, how has that been? Because Westmoreland is kind of a busy place as well for tourists, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Well, for me, it's mostly more intimate places.
Okay.
So there's the hotels and there's direct customers, and we also have exhibitions that I go on. I haven't been doing much of that lately, but it has been increasing in terms of interest for the paintings. And the good thing about it is, as soon as I finish an art piece, it finishes.
Yeah, that's good. We only have a minute left, or less than a minute left. So let's talk about the products right there on that table over there. I'm seeing a whole heap of things, from household products to hair products, shampoos, conditioners. There are some spices as well on the table. What can't you, like, listen to me, what can't you do?
Well, Debbie, I just have to give God thanks. You know, when God was giving out the talents,
Him that sell,
yes, he gave me a little extra, but I want to help others to do the same thing too.
yes.
Not just do all of this for me, but anybody out there, you're interested, you want to do business, don't put it aside. Don't give up your dream. If you want to, you don't want this 9 to 5, it's frustrating you.
Look how Crystal look for me and I talk straight in my spirit. Seriously though, why you evoking this energy now within me? I can't
Because you can, and if I can, you can. And everybody in Jamaica can.
Really, really appreciate that, because you're here right now. I'm sure you use your products, right?
Yes, definitely.
This is the reason why you have such beautiful hair. Like, seriously.
All honey Vera.
So you have the conditioner, you have
we have the
shampoo.
Right, the hair moisturizers. We have an entire line of hair care and skincare products. I just brought a few here today. Our top sales, we do bulk. That's why I brought these big ones here.
Good.
And then this is one of our top sales. That's a Vera Grow Scalp Tonic over there.
Scalp Tonic sounds
so
serious.
It works. It brings back the receding hairlines, and we've been in business for over 8 years. It brings back the
receding hairlines?
8 years we've been in business, and I can tell you that is one of the reasons why we're
wanted to
still
buy
here.
that for. Okay, all right. And then you have the household products as well, the cleaners,
So the Everywhere bathroom cleaner, it's like magic. You know that brown spot that you have in your toilet sometimes?
No,
well, not your toilet.
Not reaching there. Krista, let me tell you something.
Not your
brown ring not reaching in my toilet.
No, but a lot of people have it.
No,
and
I know
Christmas
what you mean.
is coming,
Absolutely, yes.
and they're gonna throw out their toilet. And they don't know that this Everywhere cleaner can get out that brown mark in your toilet.
All of the brown mark.
Listen, I need them to go on Fresh and Nice JA. That's the Instagram page, Fresh and Nice JA, to look at what this product has been doing.
Wow.
We wanted to also incorporate natural fragrances, essential oils, all natural. So what we did was incorporated it into a liquid soap, into disinfectants, and it has been doing tremendous.
Wow.
And through my time soon done,
yes,
I have
please.
to mention spicy leaf.
Absolutely.
This is my new baby. So we're doing pimento and Scotch bonnet peppers and ginger. And this is all from Jamaica.
I love that. All right, we don't have much time. Let's talk about this lovely piece of wood here. It's not just a piece of wood, a piece of art. So I'm looking at all 14 parishes of Jamaica in detail.
Yes, but this piece is actually the map of Jamaica in the 1960s. So some parishes, all the parishes are there, but there are some places that you might not find there because it wasn't as updated. But this technique is called wood burning. So I actually went in by hand to burn in all of this that you're seeing here now. This took some time.
No, that's amazing. Chris, I mean, for the persons who would love to get in touch with you to maybe buy products or buy a piece of art, we have 30 seconds left. Give us the details. Okay,
so you can hit me up on honeyvera.com. That's our website, honeyvera.com.
And I believe your Instagram handle, your Twitter account is right there on the screen as well.
That's Crystal and Art.
Yes.
And there's...
Tell me. Yes. Crystal and Art, yes, and also Honeyvera.
Honeyvera,
there we go. Awesome.
On Instagram.
Congratulations, lady.
Thank you.
Congrats. Crystal Ann Thompson, CEO of Honeyvera. More when we return right here on Weekend Smile. Stay with us. I love the smell of this. Oh.